Hi guys, it's finally happening. Look who we have here. Wait. Damn it. Jump. Huh? Well guys, wonderful day today. She is finally coming home after all this time. This garage will have his soul back. La, 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 la. So, delivery time. I'm just waiting here until the guys arrive. And then we're gonna get her in. And then we're gonna do some in-depth look at what we got and then decide if it's good enough. Because we did it already at the shop, but now when she's all complete here, I can finally just slowly take a look at it with you guys, and maybe we can put the first important thing on. I have to find out. That's part one, is to go to search for the logos. But I want the logo back on the front hood, no matter what. So we're gonna do that today. Yeah, let's wait. Well guys, there they are. I'm just putting this one on so I can show you a little bit more. Yes, you do it? Yes. Well, let's open up. See the pretty little lady. Hurry up. It's dark outside, you probably can't see it. I'll just turn you around, but otherwise you're gonna see it when it's too dark. Wat weer mannen? Hey, you can't see a damn thing. We'll wait until she's in. Well guys, there she is. My little baby is back home. What a lovely sight, and how perfect she fits in this garage. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't explain how happy I am, guys. This is absolutely perfect. Just another angle. She's a little bit dirty of the transport and all the dirty fingers. I bought some hand gloves to work on it, so don't get her too dirty. But after we finish, she's gonna get a polish and all the things that's necessary to get her shining. But look at this, guys. Oh, I am so happy. Well, first things first, let's take a closer look at what we have here. And after that, we're gonna do some unwrapping. Well, maybe not. Leave that for a second time, because unwrapping means damaging, means risk of damage, you know what I mean. First thing first, let's have a closer look at the car and then get the most important part of the car back on, because that is what this is all about. The prancing horse has to go back on the car. That's rule number one. And after that, we're gonna make a little plan for the coming 3 months. We have 3 months just in the holiday season. So this is going to be a very special, this is going to be a very special Christmas special this year. Hey, we're gonna do something about it. It will be okay. Look at this. First things first, we're gonna turn you around and then I'm gonna walk you through some of the details of the car. We start with something, well, not paint related. These are just simple floor tiles. I cut them just to have them underneath the wheels, and I can advise you, to do the same thing for your car, just to protect your wheels but also protect the floor. And if you have a little bit more budget, and in the future I hope to buy them, you can have the round ones that protect the shape of the wheel. Now these wheels don't look like much right now. That's okay, because these are going to get replaced before we get back on the road, because they're already, I think, 8 years old, so it's time to go. The wheels will get painted. Color, not gonna tell you. No, I'm not gonna tell you. Keep that in mind. Then we got some overspray over there. We have to correct that. Some small things. This is a very important part, is the painted stripe. And what else do we have? Well, for the back, I am very nervous about putting the back window in. That is something that's going to be a pain in the ass. To get it out, we had to cut the rubber, and here the new rubber is still flexible. The other one was old and cracky. I've got the window upstairs, but to get that one in is going to be tricky. Especially, I'm gonna show you this, because here's the gap. Sorry, I'm a little bit messy right now. Here's the gap. Basically, to do it right, you have to get the rear hood off. Now I don't really want to do that. Oh, all the panels need a little bit. Now the panels don't need adjustments, but the hinges. When you look at this, then you can clearly see that there is some room, and it's not much. But my first attempt is going to be to get the window in with 2 persons, very carefully, and then see what if we can do something correctly. So that's a little bit of a challenge, but I'm up to it. Here you can see all the parts. Well, we're gonna leave them there right now. Look how this closes. Yes. Always pressure at the right point. Not like this. This one needs a little bit of adjustment. There it goes. There it goes. The problem is that pushing on the wrong part can cause dents, and there used to be a lot of damage on this rear lip, so we have to be very careful. Well, overall I think this looks pretty sick. This line has to be cut in and have a little black kit line. You can see the red kit right now, so you don't really have to cut. The door still has the temporary thingy. Very creative, but we have to do something about that. Oh no, I'm wrecking it already. Yeah, that's it. Let's get used to. Well, all the parts are there. Look at the interior. A lot of work is going to need to be done. To be honest, she's lowered, but you can see it right now. Hopefully when the weight is on, she's gonna get a little bit down. I can't open the hood because I was just pulling the wire right there and there's something went wrong. Been there, done that. I can solve it, but not for now. And overall, look at this car and look how cool this thing is. I am so thrilled having my baby back. What else can I say? You know what? Let's put the logo on and yeah, call it a wrap for today because I'm dead tired. Stressed out? I don't know. So happy. Let's put the logo back on. Okay, of course I was just kidding with the black logo, the Ferrari logo on the back. Need to clean that one first. But this is going to look sick. Don't shoot me for this one. My car had these shields when I bought it, and although they don't belong to the 308, I think that it's part of the identity of my car, and all I have to figure out is the exact position. So if you guys can help me, what you think is the right position, I think somewhere over here, a little bit lower, it's going to be where the stickers are going to be placed. And these are, hope you can see it, from Superperformance, the Amelia, or how do you call it? Not just a sticker, but just something special. Overall, I'm so happy. Man, I'm in heaven. So, I guess next week we're gonna start working on this baby. Finally, the purpose of this channel. So, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. And if you want to learn more, check out the previous videos I make. I've got over 40 episodes of working on this car, and well, they're not all that good as you probably would want, but hey, I'm very happy with it. It just it's the process, and I'm enjoying it, and that's all what matters. So thank you for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.